Is your iPhone 7 boot looping like this? Let's see, let's hold the power button down. I've changed the battery, I've checked everything, and it's still boot looping. But I've come across one thing that I've figured out that may be the issue. Because I've changed the screen, I'm not sure if that's the reason, but if you pop this on like this, so I can move the screen to the side. If you can come down to this cable right here, which is the home button cable, and just pop it off. It's a bit difficult recording and doing it. Try not to break it now. There you go, as you can see the home button cable is popped off. You can close the phone now. And let's see what happens. Your phone boots up fine, and it should throw up a unable to activate Touch IDs, which is right there. If you guys know what the home button's got to do with the boot looping, please comment down below, as I'm completely confused.